VISKOU.
Hi everyone, welcome back to VISKOU channel. So this will be a video regarding the anti-fall radar for Hikvision, and as you can see, this is the anti-fall radar, and usually is attached to a barricade. So the function of anti-fall radar is to prevent the bomb pole from hitting the vehicle when it is dropping. So anti-fall radar, when it is detecting a vehicle or a person, it will prevent the bomb pole from dropping. It will keep the bomb pole raised. So this will be the anti-fall radar, and at the back here we have the wiring. So first, of course, we need to connect it to 12 volt DC, and to connect it to the barricade we just need two wires. The first one is the chocolate wire. Chocolate wire will be connecting to DG, and the yellow wire will be connecting to GND. Alright, so without further ado, let's jump into the app part. Okay, before I go to the app, I would like to share the download link here. So you can see two QR code here, and the left side is for Android, right side is for iOS. So you may download your phone app from here. Alright, now I'm on my phone. Before we go to the app, let's connect to the Wi-Fi of the radar first. So we go to Wi-Fi, look for the access ID of the radar. Usually it starts from radar. Key in the password. By default it will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Connect. Okay, now the Wi-Fi is connected. Keep in mind that when you are connected to the Wi-Fi of the radar, do not turn on your data because it will tend to switch to data due to the internet connection. So now we can go to the app, agree, enter. Then we need to link to the Wi-Fi. Tap on the left top corner there, select Wi-Fi connection. Okay, as you can see, it's connected to the Wi-Fi. So now we want to check if this app is really connected to the radar. We can go to read radar parameters, detection parameters. Okay, you can see the radar's parameter there on the top. So from here we know that this app is really connected to the radar because it can get the radar parameters. Okay, wait for it to load. Okay, it's done. Okay, then we can start to do the configuration. Go back, go to basic parameters. Okay, at here first we have max range. This will be the distance for the radar to detect vehicle or person. By default it will be 6 meters. So usually for this we will set according to the bomb pole length. If let's say your bomb pole is 4 meters, so you want to set here to 4 meters, but for testing purpose I'm going to set to 3 because 4 meters is too far away. And then we tap on the max range to apply the changes. Okay, down here we have falling time. This one we can leave it as default because any changes at here will not be applied to the barricade because the raise and fall time is already fixed. Okay, so we can proceed to advanced parameter setting. Okay, here the left width and right width, by default it will be 1 meter because my barricade is installed at a more narrow place, so I'll change it to 0.5 meter for left width and also for right width. Okay, so minimum range we can leave it as default is fine. Then the sensitivity wise, the higher the value, the more sensitive it will be. And for the filter single, we can just leave it as default. Same goes to direction. Okay, so basically the setting is done. To double check whether the settings are applied, we go to detection parameters again. Okay, as you can see, the settings are changed at the top there. That means my settings are applied. Okay, wait for it to finish loading. Alright, next I'm going to show you how to reset password for the Wi-Fi of this radar. So we go back and go to bottom right, the sysinfo. Select Wi-Fi slash BLE. Then select the reset PWD for reset password. Now we can key in the new password. Okay, this will be my new password. So okay, so now my Wi-Fi will be disconnected and I will need to connect again. As you can see, it is disconnected. So I go back to my Wi-Fi setting and connect to the radar Wi-Fi again. Wait for it to authenticate. Okay, so it will ask me to key in the password again. So I key in the password that I set just now. Alright, connect. Okay, so it is connected. Besides that, I can also change the SSID name of this radar, my app, and connect to the Wi-Fi. Okay, then go to sysinfo again. Go to Wi-Fi/BLE. Okay, select reset ID. And here I can key in the new name for this radar. Let's say I enter VISKOU radar. Okay. Now my Wi-Fi will be disconnected again. So same as just now, I go back to my Wi-Fi and look for the name that I set just now, VISKOU radar. Now is connected, so I can go back. Okay, as you can see, the SSID name is changed. Alright, so now let's proceed to test the radar. Okay, I'm outside with the barricade and T4 radar. If I zoom in, you can see that on the anti-fall radar only red light is on because it is not detecting anything. If I move nearer, okay, now the green light is on, that means it is detecting me. Okay, I move back again, the green light is off. So now I'm going to test the anti-fall radar with my remote controller. First I'm going to raise the boom pole. Okay, so the working principle of anti-fall radar is that when it is detecting a vehicle, okay, let's say we are going to simulate a situation where a vehicle is passing through the barricade. So assuming I'm the vehicle, okay, I move nearer within the range of the anti-fall radar, so it will detect me. Okay, so after the vehicle passed through the barricade, it will not detect the vehicle anymore, right? So when it is not detecting the vehicle anymore, the boom pole will drop down. So now I move back to simulate a car already passed through the barricade. I move back. Okay, so now the radar is not detecting a vehicle or person, so it's assuming the person or vehicle already passed through, so it will send signal to drop the boom pole. Okay, there's another situation where the first vehicle already fully passed through, but before the boom pole is fully dropped, the following vehicle moved near the barricade again. So let's see if the anti-fall radar is managed to stop the boom pole from dropping when it is dropping halfway. Alright, so now I'm going to raise the boom pole. Okay, I'm going to simulate a car passing through by moving near. Okay, you can see the green light is on. It is detecting me right now. So if I move back, it will not detect me. That means it will assume the vehicle already passed through. Then after move back, when the boom pole is dropping, I will immediately move in again to simulate the following vehicle move in while the boom pole is dropping. So let's go, move back, boom pole is dropping, then I move in again. Okay, the boom pole will stop and move up again. So that means the anti-fall radar is working. Alright, so this is the end of the testing session, and this also will be the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
VISKOU,